2017, every projection says that Hurricane Irma is going to demolish Florida. As for me, I live in Tampa. Look at the forecast. Day 2 of Irma. As Irma starts to close in on the Bahamas, I start losing the idea of lunch. Yes, Mama? I'm pretty sure just now I said that I was wearing my EXO shirts to come. I kind of love the timing of that. I didn't even think they'd be here this early, so. Whew. And they crispy, they fresh, and they look real nice. Whew, okay. Okay, so this is the basic idea of what's going on here. It's day 3 now. Last night we had a rainstorm, probably one of the bands that came off Irma. Right now it's moved a bit 10 miles off its path, but which means we're still gonna get hit. Probably a little less than what we're supposed to. If you guys don't know, I live in Tampa, but Tampa is gonna be hit with a Category 4. But as far as I know right now, we're still gonna get hit. We haven't prepared too much, no sandbags. We have some non-perishables, some perishables. And then, yeah, we haven't done much to prepare for this. But last night the rainstorm flooded a bit of the road around our house. So we don't know the current state of what it's gonna be like with the hurricane. So just a little update until Irma comes through. Okay, I've switched over to my 1080p camera. I'm about to spend all night at my school, serving as a shelter during times like this. So from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. I'm going to spend time in the shelter over at my school overnight there, trying to help out people. So I'm going to switch over to this camera. Maybe I'll try to see if I can document some hours. But the hurricane has moved west, moving closer to Tampa, higher flood zone, higher warning. So I'll try to keep my battery on this phone as possible. See you guys later.
Hurricane Irma from food and water to temporary housing up and down the state. Supplies are being distributed for the aftermath of the storm.
This is gonna be my 3rd video.
What?
This is gonna be my 3rd video.
No, it's, oh yeah. So how is it here? Is it packed?
Oh yeah. Swamped right now.
There's no one. There's like 5 families sitting in the cafeteria.
The teacher's lounge has soap.
Red Cross hasn't even gotten here. I don't know what we're gonna do for the next few hours. It's moved more west, and we got a flood zone and a storm surge alert, so how are the updates? Red Cross still isn't here. We got some volunteers coming in from USF. Some people have come in. It doesn't look like too much, honestly. It's the night before the hurricane. I don't want to put a bet on it. What's tomorrow night? Saturday night?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We're probably gonna stay here till 12 and then leave, because honestly not much is happening. It's It's probably gonna be like this for the rest of the night. I'm tired. Probably gonna go to USF tomorrow, so I guess keep you guys posted to 12. I don't think I did an update. This place is starting to get a little packed, a little crazy. So, this area, we're putting up signs right now, so.
Cannot find the edge of his tent.
Find it. You can do it. You use the power. Nowhere to run away. Nowhere to hide. You can't. It's still moving west, so it's getting closer to Tampa. So we're trying to figure out what we can do. It's getting really busy. We turned off the lights, so people are sleeping now. Got anything to say? Okay, I agree. Guys, I don't know if you can see, but the clouds are moving extremely fast. Like, really, really fast. Dude, that is freaky. What the hell? Holy crap. Last night we came back early from the school. Came about at 4 a.m. We're not planning to head back. We're just tired. We have to get houses ready and stuff. But right now I'm just planning to go out and play some tennis. And it's really nice outside, so calm before the storm. I'm gonna take advantage of that. I'll keep doing some updates throughout these next few days. This is day 4. Okay, I've been messing with the settings of the camera, so it looks a little better, like cinematic or whatever. But this is how it works. Tampa has officially set out a curfew. We have to stay indoors past 6 o'clock. It's 4:55 right now, so we got about another hour before curfew is put into place. And Irma has been reduced to a Category 2 hurricane. It has already passed Naples, Florida. So by the time it reaches Tampa, we're hopefully it's going to be a Category 1 hurricane. It's reaching about 110 miles per hour winds, and TECO or Tampa Electric Company organization or whatever it is saying that they're not going to cut power for us, and they're going to try to keep us with power, because I definitely need Netflix in order to get through this. So yeah, a little update. Yeah, this is extremely dangerous. I'm pretty sure I'm not supposed to be doing this. The hurricane hits in a few hours. Estimated it's going to be bad at about 11 p.m. But the bands have already hit Tampa, getting high wind speeds. And I biked to this friend's house and I stayed there overnight. So I'm biking back in the rain and the wind with my trusty helmet on. And I want to see if I'm fine. I'm going in. Oh my God! Oh God, dude. It's blowing me away. Literally, it's blowing me away. Oh shoot, 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 shoot. Shoot, 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 shoot. I got a video. It's so bad, but I got a video. Okay, are you guys... Shoot, there's a whole tree here. I think it's kind of hard to see. There's a whole... Dude, the whole tree! Holy crap! I didn't even look at it. I'm looking it through the camera. There's a whole tree here. God damn.
Hey, let's take it home.
Yeah, legit. It's not focusing because it's so dark. Okay, yeah, this right here, that's a tree, guys. Oh shit, I bet you there's like some wild animals or whatever. The whole road is just filled with pines. Okay, we're gonna go back in. Okay, so there's a tree here that fell down. It's inside a neighborhood, and then there's another one behind that. And then there was one that was blocking the whole road, so we had to like drive around it. They took down the mailbox.
The mailbox.
Dude, it's styrofoam.
Where that truck is right there. Two trees that went down.
This is crazy. Oh, look at that.
That's
And I've been showing friends' house and stuff, so I think the first thing that pops out automatically is just the water level of the pool right now. Seems shallow, but if you actually see it, it's gone up to the brim right there. We've had some damage here, but see what I can get. That right there, I think was the worst of it. Let me set it on automatic. Right here. Quickly unlock this. This whole area got flooded. My turtle survived. Good old turtle. Turtle survived. But as for everything else, the orange tree stood up. This area is gone. I wonder if I can go anywhere from here. And then over there, a giant tree fell over our fence. Let me see if I can get something there. Ollie, what are you doing? Ollie. So Ollie was here for the night. Guess he didn't get scared. He's a proud little dog. Proud doggo. Ollie, where are you going? Come here. Let's go inside. Whoa! Ollie, what you see? What you see, my boy? Come on, Ollie. Oh, you're scared of the leaf moving? Come on. You can see it's still windy right now. I'm gonna show you guys some more of the damage. Oh no. Give me a second. I think I just broke my stand. I hope you guys can see this water level is at the highest. There's a huge bank here. It's home to a bunch of like alligators and stuff. This whole area is just flooded. The seagull back there standing at the highest part. I don't know if you guys can hear me. The wind speeds are getting really loud now. That's a light post. The light post is down. So, it's crazy out here. Jacksonville's got flooding. Daytona, I don't know if it was hit. We didn't even get as bad. We were in the eye at 2 a.m. Hey everyone, stay safe.